ingane ena 12 gone, ingane ena 12 gone. Ngeke America, ngeke sanibonani, ngiye ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. Lalela mntomnyama, ingane ena 12 gone. Once upon a time there was a boy, sombiza ngoTamir, South Africa la. Sombiza ngoThami. uThami had a problem. You see, usisika Thami ubesanda kuhola emsebenzini and then what decide ukuthi uzopha uThami imali engango $100. And uThami ubesayingane and so wajabula uThami ngeke wakubona uThami ukuthi ngeke akaye shop ayothenga. uThami wathatha le mali ayinika usisi wakhe wagijima wahamba waye e-toy store. Wangena e-toy store yahamba ingqondo wabona ama-toys plus uphethe $100 uyabona afforda yonke into la. Wabona enye i-toys elincane nje eliyinduku yokuqhweba. Wathatha le toys eliyinduku yokuqhweba wagijima waya kiosk wayolithenga. After buying toys, after buying induku yokuqhweba, uThami then rushed off. Useya epark manje. uThami is going to the park, khona azobonana nabangani bakhe and then he can show abangani bakhe toys lakhe elisha alithengile. He can use le mali lencane selile as change ukuthi bahambe bayothenga ama-sweets, bayothenga o-chocolate, u-ice cream. uThami wafika epark and saw ukuthi abangani bakhe bakafiki bona uyena who was first to arrive and then wa decide ukuyihlayela phansi ayikhiphele i-toys lakhe aloku edlala lipolish libuka kamnandi. Wahamba wayothenga ama-chips waphinde wabuya wahlala phansi ulinde nje abangani bakhe khona kuzoba mnandi. Unfortunately, le park le ahleli kuyona uThami, it's located eCleveland. It's located kuma suburbs eSitha. And so iSitha made the call. Kukhona umuntu esingamazi, umuntu omnyama ohleli la epark ophethe induku yokuqhweba. Sifila threatened, sifile engathi asekho safe, woza uzosiza. And so u-Officer Timothy was the first to respond. Wafika lapha epark wathi uyaqalaza around wambona umuntu omnyama. Wahamba waya kumuntu omnyama ngemoto wapaka eceleni, wehlisa iwindi, wakhipha induku yakhe yokuqhweba. One shot. And then uThami was unalived. uThami was unalived. uThami abamnika ngisho ithuba lokuthi explain. U-Officer Timothy just saw umuntu omnyama and usisi kaThami wazwa isibhamu sikhala ese-apartment yakhe. And usisi kaThami knew ukuthi le ndawo abakuyona indawo yabelungu. So uma kuzokhala isibhamu kusho ukuthi ikhonto wrong. He rushed to go check ukuthi uThami uright yini. Wathi seseduze nepark wabona uThami elele phansi ephuma amanzi abovu. Wagijima efuna ukuyobona kwenzekalani kwingane yakubo. U-Officer Timothy ebona ukuthi nangu usisi kaThami wagijima wayobamba usisi kaThami wamfakoza Nkosi wamlahla on the ground wamtshentsa kahlale la wamkhomba ngenduku yokuqhweba wathi akanganyakazi. Usisi kaThami had to watch uThami ephuma amanzi abovu. Usisi kaThami had to watch uThami ubhuti wakhe omncane take umphefumulo wakhe wokugcina. Now let's take a closer look into icala laTamir Rice, who was unalived by uTimothy Loman whilst uTamir wayelindela abangani bakhe epark. Let's rewind this boile move. uTamir was playing with a toy pellet nduku yokuqhweba in a park near a recreation center. Someone called 911 amaphoyisa and reported a guy pointing a nduku yokuqhweba at people. Yes, but also mentioned that the nduku yokuqhweba was probably fake and that the person was probably a juvenile ingane. Officers uTimothy Loman no Frank arrived at the scene. Within less than 2 seconds befikile, uTimothy Loman wadubula uThami in the torso and unalived uThami without even asking any questions. Tamir's sister ran towards him, sebonile ukuthi bamdubulile. but was tackled and handcuffed by the police, who then left uTamir ephuma amanzi abovu on the ground without immediate medical aid. Bebengenandaba nje naye. uThami ubengayona ingane ehluphayo. uThami ubesayingane, he had a bright future, kodwa badecide ukuthatha konke lokho from uThami. Abafunanga ukufika lapha abakhulume noThami, bayithathe le nduku yokuqhweba bayibone ukuthi ithuyizi. Abafunanga ukunderstand ukuthi uThami usayingane, bona babone umuntu omnyama ephethe induku yokuqhweba, bafika kuma conclusion abo, and then they took uThami from nomhlaba. Despite the outcry, a grand jury declined to indict the officers involved, sparking a widespread protest and criticism of the justice system. Labantu who unalived uThami ababushwanga. Leli phoyisa elikhiphe induku yokuqhweba lakhomba ingane, aliphucwanga umsebenzi, alibushwanga. Icala nje alandelwanga, kwavele kwadlulwa nje lapho, as if impilo kaThami meant nothing. Tamir's family eventually reached a $6 million settlement with ECT, but justice was not served. Lamaphoyisa who unalived uThami ababushwanga, abaphucwa kamsebenzi, kwadlulwa nje kwadlulwa. Does that even mean ukuthi impilo yaThami was worth $6 million? Does that mean uma umuntu omnyama eAmerica you just get unalived kudlulwe nje? I-ending yale story is very confusing because umndeni waThami wathola imali engango-6 million, but uThami will never return to this world. uThami is gone. I don't know if when you feel ukuthi u6 million is enough. I don't know if when you could live with leyo mali leyo, knowing ukuthi ingane yakho was unalived, iphathele ithoyizi iyoyihlalela nabangani bayo. Yo.